Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Eric Saxog, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new 2018 Newmar Ventana 3412. This is a 4-slide coach. It's got lots to offer. Come on inside, let's have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this brand new 2018 Ventana 3412. Beautiful thing, you've actually got a full-size queen bed in here. This is 60 by 80, exactly the same as you would find in your home. Beautiful thing with that, you won't have to go out and buy custom fitted sheets. Everything you've got should work just fine. In this side, you do of course have a beautiful full cap wardrobe. No worries, there's space down below for storage, full hanger space on top, and yes indeed, it's lit. Gotta love that. As we go out a little bit more, you do of course have space in here for more storage, and in there, as you can see, that's fully wired and prepped and ready to go to put a stackable washer dryer in there should you choose. As we get out here a little bit more, you do of course have full hardwood cabinet designs. These are on full ball bearing slides as you would expect with Newmar. The highest quality construction with all their woodwork. It's just the best of the best. As we move out into the rest of the coach, let's talk about the bathroom first real quick. As you can see, I'm about 5'9" and I weigh about 200 pounds, and no issues with getting in and moving around in here. Even this way, no worries. I've got my back against the wall and not quite able to touch over there, so lots of room to move about. You do have lots of great storage in here as well, and probably one of my favorite features about the Newmar is you have the emergency escape door. God forbid something should happen to you, all you have to do is throw that latch, pop that open, and a ladder will fall out of this panel right here. You can easily escape the coach very safely. No need to deploy a parachute. As we move out into the rest of the coach, you are of course going to have pantry space here. You do of course have a Whirlpool 19.7 cubic foot refrigerator. It's one of the largest available in the RV industry, but no worries. You've got lots of great storage, Whirlpool appliances throughout, lots of workspace up here. And possibly the crown gem of this floor plan, possibly the favorite thing, is the amount of space that you have up here by having the dual opposing slides up front. You've got a nice big 3-cushion flex steel sofa. This is going to double as a hide-a-bed, but nice and comfortable, easy to kick back and relax with your friends. You've got the recliner over there as well. Big 4-person dinette with storage underneath. You've got your televator TV all in perfect proximity to having lots of entertainment. Plus, another great feature is that huge window right here as well. That's going to let in a lot of natural light, fix it so you don't have to worry about burning up your batteries keeping this thing lit during the day. As we move up to the front of the coach, you do of course, as with any Newmar diesel, have Comfort Drive. Comfort Drive is maybe my absolute favorite thing about all the Newmar diesels. It's basically a computerized assist to the power steering that you've already got in the coach itself. So basically what that means is it's going to allow you to turn the steering wheel from peg to peg using just a finger, even at a dead stop. And then from there, the computers are going to pay attention to what the wheels are doing on the road relative to the inputs that you're putting into the steering column. It's really going to take away that white knuckle ride and make driving this thing as easy as driving a Rolls Royce. It's just a wonderful experience. If you'd like to learn more about it, please give me a call on my cell phone and I would love to give you a detailed explanation. Other features about this coach, you are of course going to have wireless cell phone charging, so as long as your cell phone's key compatible, just pop it on there, that little light will turn green and you'll be charging, no worries. You do of course have engine brake, you've got auto leveling in this as well, no worries. And then the other thing that they did for 2018 is that they actually put your control panel here rather than over there, so you won't have to worry about trying to reach over the steps and running the potential of falling down or anything like that. Everything is fingertip control right here. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about the inside of this coach. Let's go have a look at the wonderful exterior. Right, so now on the exterior of this brand new 3412 Ventana for 2018, check out the paint job. That's about as beautiful as it gets. Newmar, as always, is using BASF paints, arguably the best in the industry. And from there, you've got lots and lots of storage all the way down the line of this coach. No worries. As we go around a little bit further, got a little more storage even in those little tucked away spots. And then we get to the back. This is a good time to talk about the power plant. You are, of course, going to be on a Freightliner chassis. This is going to be the XCR. It's going to have a 360 horsepower, 6.7 liter Cummins, 800 foot-pounds of torque, and you will, of course, have a 10,000 pound towing capacity with this as well. We optioned for the ladder. That'll allow you to scamper up on the roof, check all your roof seals, make sure everything's gravy if you want to be the type to do that yourself. As we get around to the other side, you've got some storage over here. But possibly my second favorite thing about this floor plan is the fact that because you've got the two opposing slides in the back, you can get to your wet bay without having to duck underneath a slide. How many of my videos you see me ducking under a slide all the time? This is a real convenient thing because you still have everything etched into place. You still don't have to worry about stickers coming off or anything like that. Still got a power retract for the water hose. Everything is clearly marked. It's as user-friendly as it gets, very simple. From there, another great thing about this coach is that it still has the Oasis CH50 hydronic heating system in it. And that system is great because it's a modular design. What that means to you is that if any piece on this happens to go bad, you're never going to have to worry about replacing the entire system. All you'd have to do is undo the cover, undo the power and water supplies, take out the bad part, put in the good part, and you're done. That really makes it very low maintenance in that regard. It's easy to maintain, less costly, and overall, like I said, you'll never have to replace it, and that's 10 to 15 grand that you're not going to have to worry about going out of pocket on. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to discuss this beautiful Ventana 3412. As I'm sure you know, there's lots of small detail items that I didn't have a chance to get to. Again, my name is Eric Saxog. I'd love to have a conversation with you about this coach so you and your family can make an informed decision. Please feel free to contact me using the 800 number below on the screen, or if you'd like, feel free to call me directly on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're all doing wonderfully well, and please remember, we're always here to help.